Hi everyone students, welcome to our maths channel. Intermediate second year maths to the integration part up to part 11 class is completed. Now today part 12 continuation of method 4 which I explained in earlier part 11 class. Okay, in method 4 one problem completed which is integration of 5 plus 4 cos x dx completed. Okay, I recap the earlier class. What that means? The problems which are in the form of the functions which are in the form of integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. If the given functions are in the form of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx, then what is our assumption? Anyone? Very good. Let tan x by 2 equal to t. After that, integrate and differentiate both sides with respect to x, then we get the value of dx. After that, cos x transform into the terms of tan x by 2, sin x transform into the terms of tan x by 2. After that, replace tan x by 2 value by t, then we get the solution. Okay, that is the method 4. Here also integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x. Okay. Clearly, this is also in the form of a cos x. Sorry, here your doubt is there is no cos x term. But here ABC are constant now. So this can be reduced. This can be write in the form of 0 into cos x plus 5 sin x plus 4. In that case, these two are in same form or not? Yes. That's why directly we can say that integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx is in the form of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. Is it clear? Right. Next, in the solution, first let tan x by 2 equal to t. In method 4, in order to solve the given problem, let tan x by 2 equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, tan x by 2 differentiation, secant square x by 2 into internal function. What is internal function? X by 2. X by 2 derivation 1 by equal to t derivation with respect to x, dt by dx. dt by dx. Now do the cross multiplication. Secant square x by 2 into dx equal to 2 into dt, 2dt. Okay, from this we get dx value. Product secant square x by 2 taken into the opposite side, division by 2 by secant square x by 2 into dt. We need to transform in this term into the terms of t only. But here secant square x by 2. We have a relation between secant theta and tan theta. What is that one? Second trigonometric identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that, secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So here secant square x by 2. This can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2 into d. Now replace tan x by 2 value by t. Then 2 by 1 plus t square into dt, which is the value of dx. Is it clear? Right. Next, sin x we have. Sin x formula, sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan theta means 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. But here we have sin x. From this, only in terms of x, sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Here 2 theta is there, then theta. Here only theta, that's why theta by 2. 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Clear? Right. So 2 into tan x by 2 and t. So 2t by 1 plus t square, which is the value of sin x. Now integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. Integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 into sin x. Sin x 2t by 1 plus t square into dx. dx how much we get? 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Okay, simplify this one. Do the LCM. What is the LCM? 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square is the LCM. Now 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 2t, 10t. Okay, here there is no denominator, 1 is there. 1 plus t square LCM, 1 plus t square. 1 into which value we get? 1 plus t square means 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square into 4. 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 2t, 10t. Into 2 by 1 plus t square into t. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Okay, write down the remaining terms. Integration of 1 by 4 into 1, 4 plus 4t square plus 10t into 2t. Okay. Now continuation. 1 by 4t square. In all these two terms, so 2 is common from that one or not? Yes. So integration of, okay, this is in the form of 1 by a x square plus bx plus c. In which way we can solve that one? Yes, method 1. In order to solve that one, reduce ax square plus bx plus c into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. That means here common x square coefficient. What is the x square coefficient here? That means t square coefficient 4. 4 is common from every term. 4 is common from 4t square. 4 is common, remaining t square. From 10t, we common 4. In order to understand clearly, 10t by 4. If you hand it out, 4 into 10t by 4, 4 cancel, get 10. Okay. Next plus 4. 4 is common, remaining the 1 only into 2t. 2 and the 2 cancel. 1 by 2 is constant now. So 1 by 2 into integration of. Now we need to transform into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. 1 by t square plus 2 a means t only, b. What the b value means? If you write which value you write, the total product equal to 10t by 4. So 2, 10 can be written as 2 5, the remaining value 5 by 4 now, 5 by 4. 2 into 5 by 4, 10 by 4. Okay. So t square plus 2 into t into 5 by 4 plus b value 5 by 4 now. That's why add 5 by 4 whole square and subtract 5 by 4 whole square, remaining term plus 1 asterisk. D. Okay. 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by first 3 terms is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. So that's why t plus b value 5 by 4 whole square plus 1 minus 5 by 4 whole square, 25 by 16. Okay. dd, keep it as is. Now 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square. Do the LCM. 16 minus 25 by 16 into d. 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square. 16 minus 25 minus 9. Okay, minus 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 can be written as 9 3 square, 16 4 square, totally 3 by 4 whole square. Now say this is in which form? If you take this one as x, integration of 1 by s, integration of 1 by x square minus a square, integration of 1 by x square minus a square. What is the formula for that one? Anyone? Yes, very good. That is the direct formula. Here we use which formula means integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. plus c. That is the formula. Okay. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Here in the place of x we have t plus 5 by 4. Substitute that one. This one continuation. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 in the problem. This one coefficient, integration coefficient here. Remaining this formula 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into a value 5 by 4. Sorry. A value 3 by 4. 2 by log of x. X means t plus 5 by 4. T plus 5 by 4 minus a. A means 3 by 4. By t plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Plus. Okay. Now 2 to the 4 now. This 4 cancel. 1 by 3 log of t plus 1. Here do the LCM. 4 is the LCM now. 4t plus 5 minus 3. Here also 4 LCM. 4t plus 5 plus 3. Here 4 cancel plus. Now 1 by 3 log of 4 into t. Tan x by 2 equal to t. Therefore t can be replaced by tan x by. Assumption now. Substitution method. At the last, the solution must and should in terms of given function only. Given function in terms of x. That's why solution must be in terms of x. So tan x by 2, 5 minus 3, 2 by 4 into tan x by 2. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8 plus c. Okay, 1 by 3 log of 2 is common from the numerator. 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 is also common from the denominator. 2 tan x by 2 plus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. In other words, 2 common 4 tan x by 2. 2 1 2. Final answer 1 by 3 into log of 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into tan x by 2 plus 1 plus. Here remember the bracket, these 2 belongs to that one also. So what's the problem? Integration of 1 by 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 sin x dx. That's the end of the solution. Okay. Yes, children. Next, in method 4, third problem. This is also in the form of integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. That's why method 4. In order to solve in method 4, what is the assumption? Is let tan x by 2 equal to t. Okay. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Tan x by 2 differentiation secant square x by 2. Secant square x by 2 into internal function x by 2 derivation 1 by 2 equal to t derivation with respect to x dt by dx. Do the cross multiplication, we get dx equal to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. Secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2. I am writing directly because of in earlier 2 classes the same term, the same steps continue na, that's why. So here 2 dt by 1 plus tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 equal to t, that's why t square, which is the value of dx. dx completed. Here we have sin x and cos x. Directly we know that sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 equal to t now, that's why 2t by 1 plus t square. Next, cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Tan x by 2 equal to t, that's why 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, now take the actual problem. What is the actual problem? Integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. Substitute each and every term. 1 plus sin x. Sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dx. dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay? Remember, like these models, every problem, these steps are same. That's why remember, dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square, cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay? Now simplify this one. Do the LCM in the denominator. What is the LCM? 1 plus t square is the LCM. There is no term in the denominator. That's why 1 multiplying with which value, then we can get 1 plus t square means 1 plus t square. That 1 plus t square into 1 into 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square only, plus 2t, keep it as it is, because of 1 plus t square is the LCM. Here also 1 minus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Integration of 1 by, here plus t square minus t square cancel. Remaining 2t, 1 plus 1, 2. 2t plus 2 into 2 dt. Here integration of 1 by, 2 is common, t plus 1 into 2 dt. 2 cancel. Integration of 1 by x plus 1. See, what is the integration of this one? No, sorry, t plus 1. What is the integration of 1 by t plus 1? Anyone? Very good. Here t plus 1 treated as f of x. T plus 1 derivation 1. Because of t derivation with respect to t, 1 only. That is in the numerator. If the denominator considered as f of x, the numerator becomes f dash x. That's why this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx. What is the formula? Log of f of x plus. Okay. So log of f of x. F of x equal to t plus 1 plus. Okay. Log of t value. Don't forget this one. Next time you should replace the t value at the end of the solution. T value tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. That's the end of the solution, which is equal to integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, that's the end of the solution. Write down. Students, next continuation, fourth problem in method 4. Integration of 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6. Previous problem, integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Here different, because of coefficients of cos x sin x are changing. Here this is in method 4 form or not? Just to verify once. What is the method 4 form? Integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c, where a, b, c are constant. Clearly the given problem is in the form of method 4. So in method 4, solve, what is the process to solve the given problem? Let tan x by 2 equal to t. Right. Let tan x by 2 be, differentiate both sides with respect to x, and directly write it, because of already 3 problems completed. In the each and every problem, same method continue na, that's why. So tan x by 2 derivation secant square x by 2 into internal function 1 by 2 t derivation with respect to x dt by dx. Then dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to t by 1 plus t square, cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now take the given problem. Integration of 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx. Okay. Integration of 1 by 3 into cos x. Cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 4 sin x. 4 into sin x. 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 into dx. dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now do the LCM in the denominator. Integration of 1 by, what is the LCM? 1 plus t square. So here denominator, here LCM same na, 1 plus t square multiplying with 1, we get 1 plus t square, 1 into numerator, 3 into 1 minus t square, here 4 into 2t, 18, plus there is no denominator, that's why 1 is there. 1 multiplying with which value, then we can get 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, that 1 plus t square into 6, 1 plus t square, okay, into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Okay, simplify the remaining. Integration of 1 by 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 into t square, 3t square plus 8t plus 6 plus 6t square into 2t. Okay, so integration of 6t square minus 3t square, 3t square, 3t square plus 8t plus 6 plus 3, 9. Yeah, 2. So 2 constant, write the outside of the integration. Now this is in the form of method. Very good, very good. Integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Method. In method 1, what is the process? Reduce ax square plus bx plus c into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. Here a into, what is a? X square coefficient. Here t square coefficient. Common 3 from the denominator. Integration of 1 by 3 is common. T square plus 8t by 3 plus 3. 3 to the minus dt. Okay. Now by 3. 2 by 3 is constant. Integration of 1 by, transform into a plus alpha whole square or x plus alpha whole square or x minus alpha. T square minus 8t by 3. 2 into a value t clearly. 2t multiplying with which value, then product becomes 8t by 3, 4 by 3. If you had it out, 2 into 4 by 3, 8 by 3 into t, 8t by 3. What's the meaning of this one? B value is 4 by 3. A square plus 2ab, b value 4 by 3. That's why plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square plus 3 into d. Okay. Now first 3 terms can be written as that equal to 2 by 3 into integration of 1 by a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square, t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus, first write down the positive term, 3 minus 4 by 3 whole square by 3 square, 16 by 9 into d. Okay. Now 2 by 3 into integration of 1 by t plus 4 by 3 whole square. Do the LCM. 27, 9 is the LCM. 9 is the 27 minus 16 into d. Okay. So that equal to 2 by 3 into integration of 1 by t plus 4 by 3 whole square. 27 minus 16. 27, 7, 11. 11 by 9. 11 by 9 can be written as root 11 by 3 whole square. If you have it out, then simplify this one. Root 11 whole square 11. 3 square value 9. We get the previous one as well. Now this is in the form of, we treat it as this one as x. Integration of 1 by x square. This one is constant, a square. So what is the formula for integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx variable? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. That is the formula. So 2 by 3 already wonder the given function. Now 1 by a value root 11 by 3. Tan inverse of x value t plus 4 by 3 by a root 11 by 3 plus c. Okay. 3 get cancelled. 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of, do the LCM in the numerator, 3t plus 4 by 3 by root 11 by 3 plus c. Here 3 get cancelled. So final answer is 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3t. T value assumption. T equal to tan x by 2. Okay. So final answer is, I am writing here, integration of, given question, integration of 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx equal to continuation. Here 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3t plus 4, 3 into t value tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11. Yes, that's the end of the solution, which is the final answer for the given question. Integration of 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx, which is the 7 marks question. Understood clearly? Any more doubts on this one? 3 tan x by 2 plus 4. Right up. Yes, students, next continuation. Model 4, fifth problem. Integration of 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x plus dx. Here also this is in the form of integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Sir, what about c? C is 0. C is constant now. So here 0. That's why this is also in method 4. Again, let tan x by 2 equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Secant square x by 2 into internal function 1 by 2 equal to derivation of t with respect to x dt by dx. Do the cross multiplication, dx equal to dt by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Replace tan square tan x by 2 by t, then we get dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now take the given problem. Integration of 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x dx equal to integration of 1 by 4 into cos x, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 3 into sin x, 2t by 1 plus t square into dx. Dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. So here integration of 1 by, what is the LCM? 1 plus t square is the LCM. Okay. So denominators equal, add the numerators. 4 into 1 minus t square plus 3 into 2t, 3 to the 6, 16 into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Here integration of 1 by 4 into minus t square minus 4t square plus 60 into 2dt. Again, which method? Yes, first method. Integration of 1 by ax square plus b x plus c. So reduce it to the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. Okay. So here x square coefficient minus 4 now, that's why common minus 4. What's the remainder? T square plus, well, minus is common now, minus 60 by 4. Okay. 4 common, remaining plus minus is common now, minus into 2 and 2. 1 by 2 constant now, 1 by 2 into integration of minus is remaining term. Transform into the form of minus 1 plus minus 2 t square. Reduce into the form of 2 a into x plus alpha whole square. Then that's why write down 2ab, 2 into a into b. A for writing which value here the total term becomes, okay, do one thing, 2 3 are 2 2 are, cancel the one, right over t square minus 3d by 2 minus 1 into d. Okay. After that, 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by minus of t square minus 2 a value to t b by writing which value, then total product becomes 3t by 2 means 3 by 4. 2 and 2 to the cancel, you get 3 by 2 as it is. Plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 1. Keep it as it is. Okay. This one is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by, these first three terms can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square minus of t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay. In these two terms minus common, so minus is common. 3 by 4 whole square means 9 by 16 plus 1 into d. 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by minus of, here t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus, do the LCM, 9 plus 16 by 16, 9 plus 16 by 16 into d. Okay. 1 by 2 into 1 by minus multiply into the internal function, minus into minus plus 9 plus 16, 25 by 16, that can be written as 5 by 4 whole square minus t minus 3 by 4 whole square into d. Now this one is constant, this one is x. This is the formula? Yes. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx. That is equal to formula 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Already learned this one. Already wrote this formula. Right. So 1 by 2 already as the product of integration. 1 by 2a, 2 into a 5 by 4 log of a plus x, a value 5 by 4 plus x, x value t minus 3 by 4 by a minus x, 5 by 4 minus x t minus 3 plus c. Okay. Here 2 to the 4, 4 cancel, 1 by 5 into log of, do the LCM in the numerator, 4 is the LCM now. So find, there is no denominator, 1 4 is 4, 4 into t, 14 minus 3 by, here also 4 is the LCM, 5 minus 14 minus into minus plus 3 plus c. Okay. Here 4 get cancelled. So final answer is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into log of 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 4 into t, t value times by, here 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 40 minus 4. Okay, right. Next step we will replace t value by tan square. 40 plus c. Okay. 1 by 5 log of 2 is common from the numerator. 1 plus 2t by 4 is common from the denominator. 4 to the 8 t plus c. Okay, 2 on the 2 to the 1 by 5 into log of 1 plus 2. Now replace the t value. T value tan square. Tan square by 2 minus tan square. plus. That's the end of this solution, which is the integration of 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. Okay? Write down. Students, sorry, by mistakenly here 2 into 2 minus t, here I am wrote here in the previous 2 minus tan x by 2, here we have 2, please write 2, I forgot it, 2 into 2 minus tan x by 2, okay, right. Student, last question, sixth question in this one, in this model. This is also in the form of integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c, which is the method 4. That's why process is let tan x by 2 equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivation of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2 into internal function 1 by 2 dt by dx. Do the cross multiplication. Dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay. Dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now take the given problem. Integration of 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. Okay. So integration of 1 by sin x. Sin x means 2t by 1 plus t square root 3 into cos x. Cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. Do the LCM. What is the LCM here? 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. 2t plus root 3 into 1 minus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Okay. Integration of 1 by, what are the remaining terms? 2t plus root 3 minus root 3 t square into 2 dt. Okay. Here this is in the form of integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. That's why method 1. 2 is constant. In method 1, reduce it into the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square minus root 3 into, okay, minus root 3 comma. What is the remaining term? T square minus 2t by root 3 minus 1. Here plus root 3, minus is common, minus root 3 common 1 into b. Okay. So 2 by root 3 is constant. Integration of 1 by minus of t square minus 2 into a, b value 1 by root 3. Then only that product equal to 2ab, 2 into t into 1 by. So b value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 into d. 2 by root 3. First 3 terms can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square. So t minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Remaining 2 terms minus is common. 1 by root 3 whole square, 1 by 3 plus 1 into d. Okay. 2 by root 3 into integration of 1 by minus of t minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Do the LCM 4 by minus 4 by into d. 2 by root 3 into multiply with the negative minus and minus plus 4 by 2, that can be written as 2 by root 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by root 3 whole square into d. This one is a, this one is x. Integration of this in the form of integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx. What is the formula for that one? 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus. Okay? Right. So 2 by root 3 is constant coefficient. 1 by 2 into a value 2 by 2. A value 2 by 2. Log of a plus x 2 by root 3 plus x value t minus 1 by root 2 by a minus of x t minus 1 by root 3 plus. Okay, simplify that. Okay, here root 3 2 cancel, 1 by 2 is the remaining. 1 by 2 into log of do the LCM in the numerator. Root 3 is the LCM. 2 plus root 3 t minus 1 by, in the denominator also root 3 LCM, 2 minus root 3t minus into minus plus 1 plus root 3 cancel, 1 by 2 log of 2 minus 1 plus root 3 into t value tan x by 2 plus 1 3 minus root 3 into t value tan x plus, which is the solution of integration of 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. That's the end of the solution, children. Please write down. If you have any doubt, please call my personal number. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please share to your friends and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.